Hello, color champs! I'm Bluebert the Crayon, and today I'm your guide to grouping and coloring objects in Tinkercad. Let's sharpen those skills and color your projects like a pro. First up, open your project. This is a self-portrait. I look cool, am I right? Yeah. Now, find all the shapes you want to be the same color. Click the first one, then hold down Shift and click the others too. When you've got them all, click the group button. It looks like two shapes stuck together. That makes sense, right? Boom! Your shapes are now a team. Now, it's time for my favorite part, the coloring. With your group still picked, click the color button and choose your color. Pick carefully. Blue is obviously the best, but hey, I'm a little biased. Now keep going. Group, then color, group, then color. One color at a time until you've done your whole design. And that's it, color champs. You're officially a Tinkercad color grouping expert. Now go fill the world with amazing colors. And remember, when in doubt, think like a crayon. Catch you later, color creators. Bye.